Hi, Mr. Davis. My name's Kate. I'm a respiratory care student, and today I'm going to show you how to use your oxygen tank and also how we hook up oxygen here at the hospital. Okay? First off, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. I'm going to bring your oxygen tank over using this little trolley. Make sure it's secure, all upright position. We know it's an oxygen tank because of the green coloring. We can read the labels here. That's oxygen. You can see the little trolley that we have it in. Okay, so I'm going to show you here how we hook up a regulator to your oxygen tank so you can use it. Here we have an oxygen regulator. We use a pin index safety system, so you can see the two pins here and O-ring, and that's going to connect to the top of your oxygen tank here. We have a little plastic wrap that's around. We'll remove the plastic wrap. A lot of these have an extra O-ring in there. We're going to use that just in case we have a leak in the regulator, and we can replace that right on here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this regulator on, making sure that the pins are in securely and that the O-ring's lined up. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it. All right, and I have a little wrench here. Go ahead and turn on the gas flow. When I'm cracking the tank, I want to let anybody know that I'm going to crack the tank. You're going to hear loud noise, especially with our E-tanks. They make a really loud, or not our E-tanks, our H-tanks are going to make a really loud noise. So just let anybody know standing by that I'm going to crack the tank. We're going to go ahead and turn on our tank here, and we can see that the tank, on the gauge here, that the tank, the PSI went up to 2,000. So we know that the tank is full. The pressure is at 2,000, and that comes in necessary to see how long this tank will last us. What you want to do is get your pressure times the coefficient, cylinder coefficient. This is an E tank of oxygen, so our cylinder coefficient would be 0.28. For our big H tanks, the cylinder coefficient would be 3.14. So you get the pressure times the cylinder coefficient, and we're going to divide that by the flow that you're using it. So you are using it, your flow is at 2. So I'll show you here. We'll go ahead and connect your nasal cannula here. We'll hook that onto you and then bump it up to 2. You can see that it's flowing properly. All right, you can shut it off, the flow meter there. I'll show you how to remove this regulator. So we want to make sure that we shut the gas off. Okay, nice and tight. And then we'll go ahead and let it bleed out, which will flow back on. And we can see that the pressure is now going down. You'll hear no noise when it's all done, and also the pressure will read 0. Great. Okay, now we know that that's off. Now we can safely take off this regulator. Okay, I also want to show you here that we have a Thorpe tube. This is also color coded. It says oxygen on it, and it's a compensated Thorpe tube, and I'll show you how we know that. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to the wall unit here. You can see the wall also is color coded oxygen, air, and vacuum, green, yellow, and white. We'll go ahead and connect this Thorpe tube to the wall. It's hard to see, but when we connected it, that little indicator went and jumped up, so we know that there's flow coming through the wall here. And we'll go ahead and adjust to your settings. Get you up to 2 liters there, okay? Connect your nasal cannula to the bottom of this. And to eject it, all we're gonna do is press this button. You'll hear a loud noise. And I'll take the Thorpe tube out. And that's it, thank you.